Hello, I'm Amy Oswald, Vision Rehabilitation Specialist with North Dakota Vision Services School for the Blind. Today we're going to be doing a lesson on cleaning the toilets, everyone's favorite job. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to clean out the inside of the bowl. I'm using a solution of 50% cleaning vinegar and 50% water. It's just in a spray bottle. And then I have a washcloth that I will be using when we are cleaning the outside. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray.
Amy sprays the bottle of vinegar water solution into the bowl of the toilet.
On the inside of the toilet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray all the way around close to the lip or rim of the inside of the toilet. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my toilet brush.
The toilet seat is raised. Amy places the toilet brush at the top of the toilet in the center, just under the rim.
And I'm going to start 12 o'clock. Okay, so right up near the middle of the back of the toilet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in vertical patterns all the way around in an overlapping pattern. So I'm going to start with my brush underneath that lip or edge, and I'm going to go down into the whole of the toilet, okay? And then I'm going to move more towards 1 o'clock, and I'm going to keep going in overlapping vertical patterns all the way around. So now I'm at about 5 o'clock, now 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and back to 12 o'clock. And I'm actually going to do that twice.
Amy's brush dips into the water with each up and down motion, wetting the brush and the bowl.
Okay, now when I'm done with doing my overlapping vertical patterns to clean the inside of the bowl, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush out that lip, and I'm going to start again at 12 o'clock.
The bristles of Amy's brush are placed against the upper lip of the toilet bowl.
And in short strokes, I'm going to go all the way around with the edge of my brush right in that lip. Okay, and I'm going to do that twice. Double sure I have everything. I'm going to go in that vertical pattern again, all the way around inside the bowl.
Amy is once again dipping the brush into the water of the toilet bowl with each stroke.
And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of spin my brush around inside the hole in the bottom of the toilet.
Amy taps the handle of the toilet brush against the edge of the toilet bowl.
And then we are done with our toilet brush. Okay, so now we're going to clean the actual outside of the toilet. So again, I'm going to spray a bunch of this vinegar water solution onto my washcloth. And I'm going to start with the lid of the toilet tank.
Amy uses her wet rag to wipe the top of the toilet.
And I'm going to go in horizontal patterns back and forth from left to right across the top of that. And then I'm going to do it again. Now I'm going to clean the tank part.
Amy uses her wet rag to wipe the sides of the tank.
And what I'm doing is I'm going in a vertical pattern from the far right side near the wall, and I'm going back and forth to the far left side near the wall. Okay, and then I'm going to buff up my handle. I'm going to put some more solution.
Amy sprays the rag with more vinegar water solution
onto my washcloth, and I'm going to wipe off the toilet lid. Again, I'm doing that overlapping vertical pattern. I'm doing the top of the lid. I'm going to open up the lid. I'm going to do that same pattern on the underside of the lid. Okay, now I'm going to do that same pattern on the top of the toilet seat. I'm going to do it twice. Okay, and I'm going to do it on the bottom side of the seat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my rag so that it is So the dirty part that I've used is on the inside, and I have a clean area to work with. And now we are going to clean off.
Amy sprays her rag with more vinegar water solution.
The bowl part, the actual porcelain part of the toilet.
Amy sets down the spray bottle.
Okay, so we're gonna start.
Amy closes the lid of the toilet.
In the back, in between the tank and the actual toilet lid.
Amy uses her rag to wipe the area described.
We're gonna do our same vertical pattern. Okay, I'm gonna open up the toilet lid and we're gonna do the top of the rim of the toilet.
Amy uses short streaks to clean the top of the porcelain toilet bowl.
In that same overlapping vertical pattern.
Amy sprays her rag again with the vinegar water solution.
Put some more cleaner on, and now we're gonna start on the bowl part that rests on the toilet. We're gonna start in the back.
Bent at the waist, Amy reaches behind the toilet bowl with her wet rag.
By the wall. And we're gonna go in that same vertical pattern all the way around from the back part by the wall, on the right side, all the way around to the left side.
Amy uses the rag to wipe from the top of the toilet bowl down to the floor in overlapping vertical strokes.
And then once we reach this back side on the left side of the toilet, we're gonna go back. Same vertical pattern, overlapping strokes. We're gonna go back to the right side in the back by the wall. If you have any questions, you can contact me at North Dakota Vision Services at 701-857-7635 or email at abrunner, ABRUNNER @nd.gov.